When someone mentions Linux, they usually mean an operating system, but that's not quite right. Linux itself is like the seed from which many different operating systems grow. We call these grown-up versions distributions, or distros for short. Each one has its own look and feel, strengths and weaknesses, making the choice a little overwhelming at times. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate the top 12 Linux distros. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 12, we have all the operating systems built on Android. Yep, Android, the mobile OS you use on your phone, is actually built on Linux. It's based on the Linux kernel, and then heavily customized for touch screens, smartphones, tablets, and even smart TVs. Some people call this a distribution, but it's really just a customized version of Linux. With billions of Android devices out there, it's safe to say that Linux has a massive reach, especially considering many embedded devices also run Linux in the background. At number 11, we have Chrome OS, the operating system that powers Chromebooks. Now, Chrome OS isn't just built on Linux, it's actually built on Chromium OS, which is an open-source project based on Linux. Chrome OS is designed to be fast, lightweight, and cloud-centric. Most of the applications are accessed through web browsers, and it is optimized to work seamlessly with Google Workspace. It's perfect for students and those who need a simple laptop for basic tasks. Now let's talk about real operating systems. At number 10, we have OpenSUSE, a Linux distribution developed by SUSE Linux GmbH, known for its user-friendly yet another setup tool. OpenSUSE offers a stable platform with professional-grade tools favored by developers and system administrators. Its strong community support ensures plenty of resources are available when you need them. Number 9 brings us Kali Linux, a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for penetration testing and cybersecurity. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali comes preloaded with a vast collection of hacking and security tools such as Metasploit, Wireshark, and Burp Suite, making it a favorite among ethical hackers and security testers. Next up at number 8, we have Linux Mint, a popular distro based on Ubuntu. Designed for simplicity and ease of use, Linux Mint is great for new Linux users and those switching from Windows. It features a Windows-like interface, excellent multimedia support, and a very stable platform. Now let's take a closer look at some major players in the Linux world. Number 7 is held by Monero, a Linux distro based on Arch. While Arch is known for being a bit challenging for beginners, Monero offers a much more user-friendly experience while still providing the flexibility that Arch users love. Monero is an excellent choice for desktop use, gaming, and development thanks to its rolling release model and well-designed user interface. Speaking of Arch, No. 6 is held by the Arch Linux distribution. Arch is a lightweight, minimalist, and highly flexible distribution that gives advanced users complete control over their system. It follows a rolling release model, ensuring you always have access to the latest software versions. While it can be challenging for beginners, the Arch community is incredibly helpful and plenty of guides and tutorials are available online. At No. 5, we have Fedora, a popular distribution sponsored by Red Hat. Fedora is often used as a testing ground for new technologies before they make their way into Red Hat Enterprise Linux RHEL. It is a great choice for developers and testers who want to try out the latest features in a stable and secure environment. Fedora's rolling release model ensures you always have access to cutting-edge updates, and its community is dedicated to integrating new features quickly and responsibly. Next up at No. 4 is Red Hat Enterprise Linux RHEL, a commercial distribution used widely in corporate and server environments. RHEL is known for its stability, security, and extensive feature set, and like other distributions, RHEL is supported by Red Hat, meaning you can purchase support contracts and receive regular updates and patches. If you're looking for a robust and reliable platform for your server or desktop, RHEL is definitely worth considering. Now let's take a look at some free alternatives to RHEL. At No. 3, we have CentOS, Rocky Linux, and Alma Linux, all three of which are free alternatives to RHEL. These distributions are all based on RHEL and are fully compatible. making it easier for users to migrate between them. They're all great choices for servers and cloud computing. But they do have some differences in their development philosophies and release cycles. At number 2, we have Debian, a stable, well-established, and community-driven distribution that has been around since 1993. Debian is one of the oldest and most trusted names in Linux, and it is the foundation for many other distributions, including Ubuntu. It's known for its huge software repository and strict adherence to the free software philosophy. If you're looking for a rock-solid platform for servers or as a base for your own distribution, Debian is an excellent choice. Finally, we've reached the top spot. And at No. 1, we have Ubuntu, a popular distribution developed by Canonical. Ubuntu is one of the most user-friendly distributions available, and it has a great choice for beginners or those looking for a simple desktop experience. It's used extensively in servers, cloud computing, and IoT devices. Ubuntu's large community support and regular updates make it a favorite among Linux enthusiasts and professionals alike. So there you have it, folks. The top 12 Linux distros. Whether you're looking for a user-friendly desktop experience, a rock-solid server platform, or anything in between, there's a Linux distro for you. Remember, the best distro is the one that meets your specific needs and preferences. So don't be afraid to try out a few different options until you find the perfect fit. But wait, before you go, we've got a little quiz to see how much you've learned. Pick the Linux distro that best matches each description. Point 1. You're a developer who wants a stable platform to test out new technologies. 2. You're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use distro for your desktop. 3. You're a cybersecurity expert who needs a distro with tons of hacking tools. 4. You need a robust server platform with long-term support. 5. You want a lightweight distro that gives you complete control over your system. How did you do? Share your answers below and let us know if you agree with our picks. Don't forget to leave a like for more tech insights. Thanks for watching and happy distro hopping.